YESMAE wireless vacuum cleaner can be switched between 3 modes: economic mode, 12 kPa suction for 50 minutes, standard mode, 20 kPa for 25 minutes, and strong mode, 28 kPa for 15 minutes. Removable battery makes it easy to rechargeable separately. Brushless motor can reach 90,000 revolutions per minute, generating 28 kPa strong suction. Equipped with powerful motorized floor head with LED headlights, it is great for cleaning up crumbs on the kitchen floor, dirt under the bed, couch, furnitures and at dark places. Large touchscreen LED control panel makes it effortless to adjust the vacuum power and know the status of your vacuum cleaner.